All right, so today we're doing a deep dive into this video
Yeah.
promising a spectacular transformation. Have you seen this one?
Oh, yeah, I think I know the one you're talking about.
It's called Secretos de Belleza para una transformación espectacular in
Oh.
Spanish.
Yeah, yeah.
It really caught my eye.
Yeah, it's got a really catchy title for sure.
It promises to help you look 10 times more Linda and feel like a diosa.
Wow.
Quite a clan, right?
Yeah.
So let's break it down. What are the real takeaways here for someone looking to revamp their beauty routine?
Well, I think what's really interesting is how the video plays on this idea of a dramatic makeover, you know?
Yeah,
It really taps into that desire for a noticeable shift in appearance.
totally.
But, the key question for me is, what does a spectacular transformation actually mean to you?
Right.
What are your personal beauty goals?
It's so easy to get swept up in the hype of a complete overhaul.
Absolutely.
But you're right, it really comes down to what makes you feel good.
Exactly.
So the video dives right into makeup tricks, specifically mentioning techniques to highlight your best features. And, I was intrigued by the emphasis on this technique called halo eye makeup.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that one around.
Have you?
Yeah, it seems to be their go-to for creating a brighter, more youthful look.
Yeah, have you seen that technique gaining traction?
Absolutely. Halo Eye is having a moment, for sure.
It is.
And what's smart about how the video presents it is the focus on adjusting the technique to different eye shapes and sizes.
Right.
They even offer modifications for hooded eyes, which is often overlooked in makeup tutorials.
Oh, that's a great point. So many tutorials just seem to assume we all have the same eye shape.
Exactly.
And it's not just about makeup, right?
Right.
The video also digs into skincare routines for achieving radiant skin.
Okay.
And it's a bit overwhelming with so many products and trends out there,
I know, it's hard to keep up.
especially when they highlight ingredients like snail mucin.
Snail mucin.
What are your thoughts on incorporating something like that into a routine?
It's definitely an ingredient that's gotten a lot of buzz lately, that's for sure.
Yeah.
What's interesting is that the video actually breaks down the science behind it,
Okay.
explaining how snail mucin can help with hydration and skin regeneration.
Really?
And they encourage viewers to do their own research, which I always appreciate.
Yeah.
Not every trendy ingredient is going to be a miracle worker for everyone.
That's so true. It's all about finding what works for your individual skin.
Absolutely.
Now, the video doesn't just stop at the surface level. It also emphasizes self-care as a crucial part of feeling like a diosa.
I love that.
Yeah, me too.
It's so important.
They even recommend creating a personalized goddess ritual for relaxation and rejuvenation.
Oh, nice.
What are some simple practices that our listener could try to incorporate into their routine?
Well, I think the key takeaway is that self-care doesn't have to be complicated. It
yeah.
can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to do something that brings you joy and helps you de-stress. Whether it's a warm bath with essential oils, a quick meditation session, or even just spending time in nature,
Yeah,
Just find what truly recharges you.
I think that's such a powerful message. True beauty radiates from within, and that inner confidence is amplified when you prioritize your well-being.
For sure.
Now, towards the end, the video has a call to action to subscribe for more beauty secrets.
Okay.
It made me think about the constant influx of beauty advice we're exposed to online. How do you navigate all of that and stay true to your own definition of beauty?
It's definitely a challenge. It really is.
Yeah,
I
that-
think it's important to be mindful of who you're following and to diversify your sources of inspiration. Don't just follow people who look a certain way or promote a specific aesthetic.
Right.
Look for creators who empower you to embrace your individuality and who prioritize self-love above all else.
That's such great advice.
Thank you.
So we've covered some of the key takeaways from this video promising a spectacular transformation.
Yeah.
It really is a mix of makeup techniques, skincare tips, and self-care practices. But as we wrap up, what do you think is the most important thing for our listener to consider as they explore these beauty secrets?
Well, it all boils down to this. How can you use this information to create a beauty routine that makes you feel confident and empowered rather than pressured to conform to external standards?
Yeah.